Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we draw a bulb. Drawing a bulb for kids is a fun and educational activity. Start with a simple oval shape for the bulb's body. Add a straight line at the bottom for the base. Draw a smaller oval or circle inside the filament. Connect the filament to the top of the bulb. Illustrate the screw-like details at the base. Encourage kids to experiment with various bulb shapes. Use a wavy line for the glowing light inside. Teach about Thomas Edison and the invention of the light bulb. Highlight the role of bulbs in our daily lives. Emphasize safety when dealing with rule bulbs. Add a switch near the base for a realistic touch. Discuss the concept of on and off with the switch. Explore the different colors light bulbs can emit. Encourage creativity by adding patterns to the bulb's surface. Discuss the symbolism of light in various sculptures. Introduce the idea of drawing a light bulb movement. Use bright and contrasting colors to make it ideas. Add a cord hanging down for a hanging bulb effect. Encourage shading to create a three-dimensional look. Suggest drawing a set of bulbs in different sizes. Share tips on using gradients for a glowing effect. Discuss the role of imagination. Thanks for watching.